Hell, today we are going to see about like how we are going to create a graph out of value from Excel. Okay, let me open the Excel blank workbook. Okay, consider we have employee name and salary. Okay, so I'm going to zoom a bit. Okay, consider Rom is one of the employee, Shiva is one employee, Shandy, Mark, Joel, Ram is getting 30,000 and Shiva is getting 20,000, Sandy is getting 50,000 and Mark is getting 40,000 and Joel is getting 80,000. Okay, consider this is the value in the Excel. Like for this, like we are going to create a graph. Okay, so for that, right, like there is a menu called the insert menu. In that menu, we need to choose this insert line or area chart. Okay, there is 2D line. Okay, this is the basic graph. Right, like based on the value from the Excel, like it's created a graph, basic graph. We have multiple options for these graphs. You can choose that, and we have options here as well. We can choose different options how we want. Okay, and we have other option as well. Like we can create a 3D graph. Right, see, we can create a 3D graph, and area graph also we can create. It'll be like this, and 3D area graph also we can create. There is multiple option. Okay, this how we will create a graph out of value from Excel. Thank you.